Welcome to this HTML tutorial, and in this video we are going over checkbox. And the checkbox is very similar to the radio button which we did in the last tutorial, but the difference is in the radio button the user only have the option to click just one. The user can click only one option. Now the difference is the case for the checkbox. For the checkbox, you can be able to click all the boxes at the same time. So that is the difference between a checkbox and the radio button. Now we are still using our form tag here, our form element here, and we're still using the input tag, and we set the type to checkbox. Now notice that the label is outside. This football label is outside the tag. It's outside this input element. The basketball is still the label of this one. The boxing is the label of this one. And the hockey is still the label of this one. So you can see up here we use the H1 tag. We are simply asking the user, which subject are you interested in? Now the user can click any option, and the user can still click all the options. So that is the work of this checkbox. It's different from the radio button where the user can only click one option. That's for the radio button where the user can only click one option, but for checkbox the user can be able to click multiple options at the same time. So now let's load this, refresh. Now you can see, say which subject are you interested in. Now the user can be able, for the checkbox, the user can be able to click multiple options at the same time. Now you can click this, and click this, and click this. You can see, but this is different from the radio button. For the radio button, the user can click only one. So that is the checkbox. It's different from the radio button. Let's refresh this back. And now, let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, you want a situation whereby when you load your browser, you want this football, you want the first option to always be checked. How to do that? You come over here, you give your space, you use the checked attribute. It's called the checked attribute. Here, over here, and then you use your equal sign, and then you use your double quotes. And inside here, you can put whatever you want. But we'll be using football just to make this appropriate. We're using the football. So we're going to use football because we want the football option to always be checked whenever we load our browser. So now let's load this. Now we refresh. Now you can see the football option is checked. Now we can still uncheck this, but whenever we load the browser, it will be checked back. We can uncheck it, but whenever we load the browser, it will be checked again. So that is it for the checkbox here. That is the work of this checked attribute. So you can do this for any option here. You can do this, but we are only doing it for the football. So that is it for the checkbox today. Yeah, that will be it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.